Hello all, Liam here from Digital Media Stream. I'm a PPC manager here, and today we're going to be looking at the quick and easy process of using negative keyword lists in order to save money on your Google Ads accounts. So jumping straight in, we first of all in our account right here, we'll go to the tools section and we'll go over to the keyword planner as we would do for the very starting process of any campaign that we launch. And as we're a PPC agency, we will use the example of someone who is in market for a PPC agency. As normal in a campaign, doing our keyword research initially, we'll go in this part of the platform, and up here we'll download the keywords and put it into a Google Sheet where we'll find something looking like this. This is very broad search, and the reason for a very broad search at this stage is in order to find every kind of search that comes with it on Google Ads or on Google search platform. So here at the bottom you'll see I've labeled everything, which is a nice little tip in order to keep everything in working order and easily to manage. So searching through and filtering through all of these keywords, what I would usually do is I would categorize these into lists, negative lists. So for example, if I identify a lot of keywords that are that have low buy-in intent, then I would tend to put that into one list. If then, for example, I find that there's a large section of our audience that are just looking for job related searches or recruitment or vacancies, then I would tend to categorize that as well, and competitors and so on and so forth. Example, if we're more a lead gen agency, therefore we might want to exclude people who are in market for an e-commerce agency, and if we're Google Ads and Microsoft Ads oriented, then we might want to exclude out anybody who's in market for an Amazon agency as well. So all of these different types of lists you would create and segment in order to use for separate campaigns down the line. So if we head on back to our platform, we go back to the tools section again and we head to the shared library section. We'll then find negative keyword lists, and as you see here we already have a few added which are already in use in active campaigns. In order to add the lists, you just click on add, the little blue button, and it's a simple copy and paste job in the end. And we'll copy that, paste that, and we'll name it in order to be able to find it at a later date and easily manage. So we'll save this, and then we head back into our platform. Here you can see PPC agency campaign. Under the keywords section, you have search keywords, and then you have your negative keywords. So this area in a lot of accounts can get very messy if you choose the option of only adding in single keywords at a time in the campaign itself. However, in order to keep everything nice and tidy and easy to manage, we would actually be better off adding our lists. So in this particular campaign, I'm going to add in the Amazon based negative key, and then that's going to exclude anybody in market for Amazon PPC. And now, instead of a really messy, unmanageable list of single keywords and generic keywords mixed with specific keywords in our negative keyword section, we have only a couple of lists. Therefore, in future, when we're optimizing the campaign, we can then go to the campaign and go to our search queries, and from our search query data we can then start to add certain negative keywords as they come along into our negative keyword lists. And by doing this, we can really exclude all unwanted traffic from the campaigns, which will eventually lead to a boost in conversion rates, a boost in revenue, and an overall lower cost per acquisition from our Google Ads. I hope this tutorial has been effective and useful, and until next time, have a great day.